Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Green Highland Poppy Seed in Heartopia. In this winter frost event, Heartopia has a brand new flower, Highland Poppy. You can buy this starter seed from the NPC Blanc in 3 colors, red, white, and yellow. But don't worry, you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding. And today, I will show you how to get the Green Highland Poppy Seed. First, make sure you already have a black poppy and then peach poppy like this. And if you don't know how to obtain these two colors, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions below. And then for the breeding setup, you can plan these two color combinations, black and peach like this, close to just blend them alternately close to each other like this. You can just copy my layout, and then after that just watering them, and after they bloom, just don't harvest them yet, just keep watering until you see a floating seeds appear above the plant. That means crossbreed work, and usually these crossbreed seeds appear in the morning. And to speed up or to grow more quality seed, you can ask your friends to help water your plants, because my experience is really increasing the spawn rates of the crossbreeding seeds. And in my case I got the green Highland Poppy from the black and peach poppy that I planned with this layout. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.